Hey guys, this is channel Random Minecraft Stuff and More, back with another Minecraft video, clock video. This is a Seiko Westminster Whittington Schoolhouse Pendulum Wall Clock. I got this clock from Facebook Marketplace for $10. It has everything but the bomb glass that goes to the pendulum, but I don't really care because I just want to reach my hand up there to change the chimes. But yeah, got Seiko Westminster Whittington. Some of you heard that this plays both the Westminster and the Whittington chimes. Oh, and it's hanging in the dining area of my house. And it did, however, come with its original box. I can go ahead and show you the box after this chimes quarter past on the Whittington chime. You can hear the Emperor grandfather clock in my living room ticking in the background. Alright. It's gonna hit the 3 ASAP. Alright. I think it's gonna go. Okay, so here is the box. This is what it looks like. I really don't care if the bomb glass is there or not. I just like to reach my hand up there instead of taking the wall clock down, opening the back panel, and switching its chime. Focus. Wait. Let me get this focus. Alright, perfect. This is the model number for it right here. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the rest of the quarter hours on Whittington, then I'll do the same for Westminster. Alright. Now we'll move on to Whittington chime, half past. Okay, so here's half past. Okay, and here's the quarter till of the Whittington chime. Yeah, I apologize for someone snapping their finger, but yeah, it's gonna hit the 9 right now. Yeah, I already told you this is a quarter till version of the Whittington chime. Okay, now we'll move on to the top of the hour once I get the next clip ready. Okay guys, I apologize for the background Christmas music. For some reason, it is Christmas time, and today we are organizing the house, getting ready for Christmas, but we're still doing the top of the hour of the Whittington chime on this clock, so here it goes. It's going. Okay, now we'll move on to the Westminster chime. Okay, so here's the Westminster chime, and we are gonna start 1/4 past. Again, I apologize for the Christmas music in the background. Okay, here goes. Okay, now we're gonna do 1/4 till on the Westminster chime. Like I said, sorry for the background music. Alright, it's gonna play. Okay guys, finally the top of the hour, and here and it's gonna go. Sorry for the noises outside, because we have the windows open. Yeah, sorry for the talks. And that is it. That's my Seiko Westminster Whittington Schoolhouse pendulum wall clock in the dining area of my house. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed. The channel of random Minecraft stuff and more, out.